Alright, I'm just going to service this Transit van. It's past the MOT. I'll just show you what I've got here. I have the air filter, fuel filter, the oil filter, 6 litres of oil. I just bought this wee thing to take them filters off. I had to change the indicator bulbs in the back. Somebody has white bulbs in there instead of the orange ones, and I never got a chance to film the welting underneath, but I just sort of stick welded it and then painted this stuff over the top of it. So I'll just take the oil out of it here first. That was the worst part there. And there, just give it a quick weld and put that oil stuff over it. The rest of it seems alright. Alright, that was 5 litres. 5 litre drum, I just cut a wee hole in it. That's the old oil filter there. It's a bit of a mess, but I'll get this tidied up and then move on to the next bit. That's the new rubber on. That just goes both ways, by the looks of it. That's that. I just want to jump under and throw these on, get that out of the way. That's that done. No point in showing you that, sure. It's just the opposite of taking it off. So I can put this oil in it there. That's what they recommended to put in it. Apparently it takes 6 litres, but I'll let that settle a wee while and then check it before I put the other liter in, just to be sure. I'll change this air filter while I'm here. Actually not too bad. Seems right, but I'll run it for a wee while and then check it. That was a 5 litre drum I took out of it, and there was still a wee bit of room left in it. So apparently it takes 6 litres. Right, next thing is the fuel filter, which is in here. I got this UV strap here to make it easier for me. Doesn't screw off, it must just pop off. Oh, there's it. Just when you're doing it, it doesn't screw off. You just twist it and then pull it out. That's the primer. That's it. That's handy. Loosen that wheel at the bottom there. Fill it up with diesel. This is the first time working on a Transit. It's different than an Iveco. That's basically it. I'll turn the pump on, let that fill up, then I'll change these bulbs and then give this place a good tidy. I'll give you a wee look around it. I just made that wee shelf for it. It's just a bit of rubbish. I made it so it fits these Milwaukee tools. Yeah. These, the bottom shelf, the middle shelf, these 3 shelves basically, I made them to suit the Milwaukee pack out, you know, the crate. So I'm hoping when they come available I can just slide them in there, buy 6 of them, and then that's it really. That should be it. Oh yeah, I put these bits of plywood over the windows as well with this window. So just paint it black. To stop anything from hitting the glass and anyone looking in. So that's going to do it for this one, guys. That's the Ford Transit service. This is the first Transit I've owned, Transit van that I've owned, so seems alright. Yeah, I'll maybe do a video on the vehicle at some point. Needs wash, so it does, on a good service. But again, that's going to do it for this one. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you want to see more videos. Comment. Thanks. Alright guys, just a wee quick one there. Make sure you fill that fuel filter up with diesel. I thought you could just prime it by using this wee thing here, but I started it up and it conked out. So I took the filter out and filled it up with diesel, put it back in. It's going alright now. It's been running for about 15 minutes. Just to let you know.